Hi, I'm Mr. Worker.
Looking for the best track saws of 2026? Here are 6 top professional models. The DeWALT DWS 520 KT-QS delivers accurate plunge cuts and clean finishes, perfect for carpenters and construction professionals. The cordless DeWALT DCS 520 T2RQW features XR FLEXVOLT power, smooth plunge action, and excellent dust extraction. Festool's TS60 KEBQ-Plus-FS combines precision, power, and safety with kickback stop technology and high performance. The Festool TS60 KEBQ-Plus offers exceptional versatility, reliable cutting performance, and advanced safety for demanding professionals. The Makita DSP600ZJ uses dual 18-volt batteries to deliver corded-level performance with the freedom of cordless operation. The Metabo KT 66BL features a powerful brushless motor and up to 66 millimeters of cutting depth.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.